caught in a traffic jam and wished you had wings and could fly away from it all? Well, you're not the only one, but Moulton Taylor of Longview, Washington did something about it. He designed and built the Aerocar. At San Francisco's International Airport, Taylor shows how quickly you can convert car into plane, change a 60-mile-per-hour traffic-hampered buggy into a high flyer on the unlimited highways of the sky. The conversion takes but a few minutes. No more trouble than changing a tire, and a lot more fun. Wings assembled, the pusher prop in the tail raring to go, likewise the pilot at the controls. So let's put traffic woes behind us and try that wild blue yonder. The Aerocar is at home on highways or skyways.